in about a month, movers will be at our house ready to pack everything up and take it away to Tennessee. So I am going to be doing some decluttering in this video in the kids areas upstairs. But first I'm going to show you guys some things that I picked up from Crate and Barrel. And I also picked up a few things for the kitchen. It's pretty much all barware. So I'm going to unwrap everything and show you guys what I got. So all of this is barware. You can obviously use it how you want. All the glasses that I'm showing you, we just picked up 4 of each. Got these a couple of weeks ago from Williams-Sonoma, but I thought I would show you guys anyway because we love these. These are actually double-walled coffee mugs. We've been using these every single day and I just love the size. So I need to replace the kids' dishware just because they're stained and scratched and I just need to throw them away. So I found these at Target. I also wanted to really pick up the wide shallow bowls, but they were out in the black, so I'll go back and get those another time. But look how cute these cups are. These are definitely not only for kids. They might look like glass, but they're actually shatterproof plastic. They seem to be really, really durable and they're definitely not only for kids. So I got a full bakeware set in from Caraway.com and I love Caraway. A lot of you guys ask me where my pots and pans are from. It's from them and I just love it because everything is non-stick. It comes with that non-toxic coating. It's oven safe for up to 550 degrees. It has stainless steel handles. They come with these really cool organizers and it's just a really good product overall. I chose the color cream for my bakeware and I love how they all sit perfectly inside these little organizers. So when you get your full bakeware set, you're going to get this 9-inch square pan, 2 9-inch circle pans. Next is this 1-pound loaf pan. Moving on to some bigger items, you're going to get a 12-cup muffin pan and then this 9x13 rectangle pan. You also get 2 baking sheets. One is 18x13 and the other is 10x15. Last but not least, you get an 18x13 cooling rack. If you want to try out Caraway for yourself, whether it be the pots or the bakeware set, go ahead and click my link in the description to get 10% off. Moving on to the decluttering part of this video, I'm up in the boys' room and I'm going to go through all of their clothes in their closet and their dresser just to see what I need to donate.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe.
I declutter a lot throughout the year, but at the end of each season, I try to do a really big declutter so that when I do have to go out and shop for the kids or for myself for that upcoming season, I know exactly what I need to buy.
Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay, let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity is in your smile. Hello, babe, snuggle, babe. Hello, babe, snuggle, babe. Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my kind of baby. Wanna stay, let's get stupid lazy, my kind of baby.
We are going to be selling a lot of things in our house before we move, and this chest in the kids' closet is going to be one of the things that we're going to be getting rid of. So there's only like 2 or 3 drawers that is actually being used, and most of it's junk. So we're taking all of this stuff out. I'm going to go through it to see what I need to donate and what I need to trash, and then we can get this cabinet out of here. Since I'm up here anyway, this is another thing we're going to be selling or giving away, so I'm going to take a picture before I forget. So after watching this footage back, I did not record as much as I thought I was. It's a little bit random, but the whole point of being in the playroom right now is to take almost all of those toys out of that white toy box and move it to the bigger cubby unit that we have right there on the wall, because that's just one extra piece of furniture we actually don't need. And the boys won't have a playroom in the new house, so all of their toys are going in their room. Since we are going to declutter a lot of their toys right before we move, I do have something in mind as far as smaller toy storage. This big unit will probably have to go. So now that this toy box is empty, I can go ahead and take a picture of it. I am going to be getting rid of these big, almost like baby sized Legos with this toy box if whoever wants it. If not, I'll just donate them. And this is just some things that need to go in the trash. If you guys remember their tent that used to be right here, it's actually right there in the corner. I am going to be donating that as well. So I'm going to clear this space because I'm going to be moving their beanbag back into their room. And these are all the clothes that I took out of their closet and dresser that I'm going to be donating. And I love when it takes up an entire trash bag. It just says that I made a little bit of a dent in their closet. So here's everything that I'm going to be donating. I did throw in a couple of throw blankets that I no longer need, but overall this is a lot just for the playroom and the kids room. And the last thing I'm just going to be doing is moving their table to the center of their playroom just to kind of break it up a little bit. And that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
It's your life.